Hi friends, good evening. My name is Achyut and I am from Vizag. So today in this class, I will discuss about table resize. Like how can you resize the table? So those things we will discuss in this class. So let's not waste the time. Let's get into the class. So this is my sheet and I have pasted some data here. And now we have to turn this data into the table. So how? First you have to drag like this. First you have to select from A1 to F12, and after that you have to go to the insert option and you have to click on the table and you have to click on OK, right? You have to click on OK. So now the problem is you have to increase the table size. You have to increase the table size. So how can you increase? So by using resize table, you can see, right? Resize table on the left side. You have to click on this. You have to click on this. So you have to see, right? You can see right here. One moment. I think it will not be zoomed. So I hope you can see you will be having A1 and F12, right? A1 and F12. So now I want to drag, like I want to resize the table up to F20, which means F20. So which means up to here, it has to be increased, right? So you have to specify the values here and you have to click on OK. See, the table size has increased. The table size has increased. So in this way, you can resize the table. You can resize the table. By the help of resize button, you can resize it, or you can use the drag option. See here, right? You can use this drag option, right? I am dragging it. I am dragging it. I am dragging it. See, I'm reducing. I'm dragging and I'm reducing the table size. I'm resizing the table. So now see, we are having only A1 to F3. A1 to F3. So by use of this arrow, you can specify it. See, now it is A1 to B4. A1 to B4. For example, you filter it, you'll be having Abra, Alkazam, and Cadabra. Right? You can filter Abra, then you'll be having only Abra, right? Right? And if you want all, you have to click on OK. Then your all the data will be printed. Right? So if you want to set all the data, you just have to drag like this, right? And you have to drag like this. Now the all the data will be in the table. Now you can filter all the data. See, now you got all the data, right? In this way, you can resize it by using the insert option, and here you can go to the table design, and here so you can go to the resize table and you can resize it. You can resize it by using this pop-up. You can, like, you here you have to specify the values, and based upon the values the table will be resized. So I hope you understand the table resize, and right, so in this way you can resize the table. So we are having, like, we can include new tables also. Can include new tables also. How? First you have to drag like this. There, we got the option, right? Like this. So when you include like this, then you can get the new columns also. You can get the new columns also. Here you can specify the names. So how you can specify the name? For example, target rank. So in this way, you can specify the new data by dragging like this in the table. And you can have your own data for the target and the rank. So in this way, you can resize the table. In this way, you can resize the table. So I hope you understand how to resize the table and done your requirement. And if you have any doubts in this class, just please comment in the chat and I will definitely help you out. And if you think this video is helpful for you, then please like the video and please share this video to your friends and family members so that they can be benefited from this video. And please do subscribe to my channel and please ring the bell icon. Then only you'll get the notification whenever I upload videos in the YouTube, or otherwise you will not get the notification. Thank you, friends. Jai Hind.